Hello, in this video we will go over QuickForm, a new feature for effortlessly creating custom online sign-up pages to acquire more contacts. With QuickForm, you can easily collect valuable subscriber data and opt-in consent all in one streamlined process. So let's dive in. Head over to Campaigns, then Online Sign-up Pages. Now select QuickForm. Then click on the Create button located at the top right corner of your screen to begin. Enter a description. This is an internal name for your sign-up page. Your subscribers do not see this. Then enter the ending part of the URL. Once you start typing, you will see the complete URL where your form will be published. Next, select a distribution list to store these new signups. Now, let's start designing the sign-up form. To begin, click on the Add Input Fields and Template button. Begin with the sign-up form title. This title is displayed on the page as you can see on the right. Give your sign-up form a clear title that highlights its purpose, such as ATC College Fair Summer 2024. Add the necessary input fields for your signups. Remember, one of email address or phone number is required in your form. Now, choose a template to your liking and preferences. You wish to add a custom image? Select a template with a blue image option and click on Upload. You can review image restrictions by hovering over the info dot. Once your design is finalized, click on Save and Close and then Create button to finish. With QuickForm, creating sign-up pages has never been faster. Streamline the sign-up process today and make them a part of your personalized customer journeys. Have a lovely day.